Ganun mo naman. Ilalagay mo na sa leg eh. Yung ganito. Tapos ganyan.
Ganda naman ng pa-40th birthday mo sa akin. Sa akin ba talaga?
Toro.
Ay, yung Hollywood oh.
Paras pa tayo. Ayun, baby, tingnan mo. Ang ganda ng bahay. Maliit lang siya. Pero maganda. Ayun, tingnan mo. Naturo pa, Flor?
Oo. Toro.
Ayun nga yung Hollywood oh.
Hindi na siya. Ayun, ang dami pang bahay. O, pumili ka na lang ng
Nag-aaway na sila.
Ayun, tingnan mo kasi.
Oo nga, yun yung nakita ko.
Ayun, tingnan mo. O, sabay kiss.
Sabay kiss, Willie. Kiss, Willie.
Ha?
Kiss.
Ikaw mauna naman ako. Bilis naman eh.
Pinalo pa eh.
Kaya naman.
Tingin kayo sa akin, tingin kayo. Willie.
Bilis mo, wag idikit mo lang. At hindi ka nag-toothbrush ng toothbrush ka mo, may gilagid
May
ka.
toothbrush ako.
May gilagid pa.
Dikit lang.
Anong may gilagid pa? May gilagid naman talaga.
Wala, may ano siya, tinga. Okay, ganito. Okay, dikit lang kasi wag mong i-addict. Ito naman naiiyak, parang hindi ako asawa. Taas mo kasi.
Hindi ako naiiyak.
Oo.
Tatawa lang ako.
Hi.
Oh, draw.
Human draw.
Human drone.
Kami na lang lalayo.
Sumama baby, kasi mas matangkad ako eh. Yan ko yan oh.
We are here in Baguio Botanical Garden. Hi. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Sleepy? We are here in Baguio Botanical Garden. Wow, pine trees. So cute. Pine tree. Temperature here is around 16 Celsius. Hal Celsius ba gamit natin? If you want to order or buy plants here, say hi. Wow, ang cute ng tree, no? Ang cute ng tree. So cute. We are with Oleta couple. Hi. Wow, amoy kape. Pwede pala tayo dito eh. Mag-stay. Can we stay here? Can we stay here na lang? Can we stay here na lang? Oh, look at the map. Where are we? You are there. Sabi yan, oh. You are here. Ayun, look. You are here. So the map, it's so big pala. So first, main entrance, Central Garden, Orchidarium Garden, Japanese Tunnel, Japanese Garden, Korean Garden, Chinese, Asian Arbor, City of Vogan, Friendship Garden, Station of the Cross, Greenhouse, Philippine Thailand Friendship Garden. Okay, it's big pala. Worth the price. For only 100 pesos per adult. For adult. Oh, picture. So wet. Where are we? Oh, camel. Wishing well. I wish you well. Hi.
Ay, Flor, maganda niya. Ay,
Saan? Oy, Orchidarium. Tara, sa Orchidarium.
kita yung pine tree.
Oh, let's go. We're here in Orchids Aquarium. Wow! Parang sa Enchanted Forest.
Sige na po, ano po?
Video, say hi muna. Bye! Who's that Pogi? Hi, Pogi.
Sige, sige.
Hi, Pogi. Video to? Hal. Huwag ka tumingin doon ka sa malayo. Yan. We will be trying Taiwan fried bun.
Wala na po kaming drinks.
Fried bun. Wow, yummy. Taste test. Ah. Taste test with black vinegar. Ano yung ngiting yun?
Pangit mag-taste test eh. Gusto mo yung
From 1 to ano? From 1 to 10. 10 is the highest. Ilan?
10 daw.
Kasi syempre first na tinatikman.
Ano nga? 6 daw, 6. Oo nga.
Ba't ano to? Sobrang...
1. Up. Di niya nagustuhan yung vinegar.
Okay na.
Ayos naman.
Hindi mo lang ako tinanong eh.
Anong yung mula?
Uy, tanungin mo ako from 1 to 10, ganun. Bili.
Rate mo from 10 to 1.
Ano? 8. Nakatikim na ako ng ganda. Masarap naman.
Okay.
Hindi ko kasi gusto yung
Hindi, dapat di na kayo nag-vinegar.
hindi ko gusto explore.
Okay na.
Up. Doon. Make a wish daw. But I hope wish can make. Make a wish daw. Make a wish or wish can make. Wish a make. Wish a make. Oh. Wow. Tara. There's a lot of space or a room. Hoy, dapat sumama si Lisel. Kasi hindi na tayo babalik. We cannot go back because it's different, direction, no? I think this is, out. When we go out, it's in La Trinidad. Yes? Hoy, hindi ko makita, Joby. There's no ilaw. Oh my gosh.
Ano itong bukli mo?
Hoy, room.
Ha?
Room.
Talaga?
Yes. Siyempre, iba-ibang room. Ginagawa nilang rooms yan. Oo, gano'n naman, di ba, pag tunnel, iba-ibang room.
May sakit talaga yan.
Yes, possible. A room for room for meetings, room for sleeping, room for anything they want. OMG. I hope there's no skeleton here. Okay. Huh? Oh, that's how the tunnel works. Okay. That's a little scary. But it's good. Paikot lang po yan. Yes. Nice experience. How's your experience? What do you mean by that? Where's Lisel? Where's Lisel?
Warren. Lalabas tayo.
Pero nakakatakot pag yung to.
We're not going with us in the tunnel.
Because I feel
Sigurado mo araw, walang
scared and the place was so creepy.
There's a lot of room.
But I don't like
It's not that creepy.
the madilim, the lugar.
How about you? How's the experience of being in the tunnel of Japanese?
Very soft, okay.
So, okay. Pwede matagalog, T. How about you, Hal?
Nadami kami sa iyo.
How about you?
Pogi naman ni Troy.
But it's yung tama lang sa height natin.
Scary.
Kasi kahit natin mga Japanese, kaya tama lang sa height natin nakatayo.
If you have no light.
Ibig sabihin yung mga gano'n.
As you can see, there's a small bamboo here's. Dami. Here. So, it's napakasulit niya. For 100 peso ticket only, I will be recommending this. Will you recommend? Ganun lang siya.
Pagod na kasi si Troy.
Will you recommend, Ses? Will you recommend to go here?
It was a nice and great place. It was recommended
Bye.
by Botanical Garden.
Recommended by Botanical Garden daw. Ano daw iyon? Hoy, ang... So we're going in the bamboo tunnel. I think it's good here then when it's dark. There's a lot of lights. Wow! Wow! And we're now here on the bridge of Tarabithia. Alam mo yung bridge of Tarabit yan. Diba? We're now here in souvenirs. We are now here in souvenirs. We're going to the San Francisco Bridge. Someone's waiting for me. You can donate for picture taking. Wow. You can buy money tree, jade plant, blue pine, cactus. So many plants here in Botanical Garden. You can buy real plants. Oh, everlasting. Wow. Someone's playing flute. There's no other way, Ati. There's no other way. We're going up, 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 up. We're going up, up, up. Kaya pa? Hina nyo naman. Oh, that's nice. One here also. Kamusta kayo? Papagod. Ano hal? Harap mo sa akin.
Ikaw, kamusta ka?
Busy. Busy. Basic. Isa pong caramel macchiato. No. I'm lobot no. You need to order na. Let's order na, Han.
Galing talagang vlogger niya po. Sa grade. Sure ba? Nakanta kami. Sing for Lizelle. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Lizelle.
Prayer. Yay! A picture.
Thank you. Thank you, Beth.
Ay, sorry.
Kayo dalawang mag-asawa.
So here we're going to night market. We're gonna try the street food of Baguio. There's so many lines. Because it's Christmas lights. This is day 2. Ay, day 2 ba? Ay, day 1 pala tayo. Day 1 in Baguio. We are here kanina 3 a.m. Ay, 4 a.m. And still awake. I'm wide awake. So nice to walk here because of the holding hands while walking. So nice to walk here because of the weather and also the company. The company that brings you closer to the Lord. Kailangan namin pumili ng bonnet for the atok. Ano yan?
Kasi
For the atok.
dapat kasi sumagani tayo sa kanila eh.
Kayo nag-raayak ako. Ano eh? For the atok, what do you call that? For the atok. Ano gagawin natin sa atok? Tour. Yeah. Because we're tourists. That's why we are touring. Touring with a tourist. 12, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nagaling na scene. Plastic ba?
Napaka-oily naman. Oy! Sarap, wala ng lasa. Lasa asin. Saring.
Lalagay sila ng happy birthday lang ganyan yung color. Parang ayaw ka na ng point mo today.
That's shawarma in Baguio. Iwan at dito laging magkasama. Shawarma rice large.
Baka overload ko yung ay, hindi sa amin yung 110 eh.
Ako, baka dito po.
Pumili ka nga isa tayo. Ako ba?
Hindi lang yun yung meron.
Yay! Where's your drinks? Wala pa ba? Hi, how is it?
That's
Yummy.
life in Baguio.
Wow. Taste test.
Sa kung sisig.
Oh my gosh!
Yung
So
sa kung
hot.
sisig.
We're gonna try the sisig rice. Daming laman. Yummy. Beef na beef. Mm. 9 out of 10.
Okay na.
Yeah. It's already 10:52. 13 minutes of waiting for a taxi for us to go to our homestay in Wanais. Then again, because of peak season, wala pa rin kaming taxi and Grab. Our husband actually waiting for taxi.
Malayo pa ba dito ang Burnham Park? Baka nandun sa
It's 12 midnight. Birthday na ni Lizelle. Finally! Happy birthday! 12:01. Sakto.
Thank you, Lord. Sinita pa po kami.
Parang sinakto sa birthday mo, te.
Sinakto po
Kaya
sa
ti-
birthday ko.
Kaya tinatawag kita, birthday mo na, sabi
Ayan
ko.
po, 12:05. Happy birthday to me.
Ay! Thank you, Lord. Pa-birthday! Pa-birthday! Happy birthday! Uy.
Nagapera mo.
Ano?
Thank you, Lord.
Okay.